What's up, broskies? Welcome back to another video. I'm here at my house chilling today. Behind me I have the 350Z. Now guys, remember, this is not the one I used to drift, although it is built exactly like my old 350Z HR. But yeah, it's not the same one. A lot of people get confused and forget that this is a different 350Z. This is actually a 03 DE, and then obviously the other one was a 07 HR. Here is the inside of the car. As you guys can see, it doesn't have the Navi like the other one had it. I really don't like the seat, so we're gonna probably change this out. It doesn't have the quick release steering wheel. The other one had an ASD hydro. This one's a GK Tech. But before we continue with this video, I want to give a massive shout out to Tony from SoCal Z. He reached out to me and said, Philly, I know you're gonna be drifting your other 350Z, whatever you need, my boy, I got you. Come to the shop and get whatever you need. So this morning I took a trip to his shop and I'll show you guys what I got. I'm gonna be adding my old steering wheel on this car. We picked up a didnt short hub or didnt hub, and then I'm gonna get the quick release as well, but he didn't have it in stock, so I'll probably get it sometime this week. And also we got some 350Z rear toe arms. These are pretty sick. That's the only thing I'm missing to get zero camber for this car. Right now it has a little bit of camber, so I really don't want to drift it yet until we get like zero alignment on the back. And then also we got some Takata harnesses, so these are pretty bad. Shout out to Tony from SoCal Z. He hooked me up fat today. I haven't told you guys yet, but January 29th we're gonna be at AVS with a bunch of Z's. It's gonna be like a private event. Nothing but Z's are gonna be there. I wanted to take the Chaser at first, but then I noticed that it was gonna be nothing but Z's, so I'm like, fuck it, why not? We have the other replica 350Z. Why not take it? And that's why right now I'm trying to get this car ready for that track day. Like I said, I don't like this bucket seat. I don't like the stock steering wheel. I have a different diff that I'm gonna change. I think the diff on this car is a 3.3, like from an automatic 350Z, and I have a 3.6. I'm gonna weld it up. I'm gonna throw that on. I'm gonna throw those arms, get the car aligned. I'm gonna try to get a clutch, and then the car has a massive leak in the I believe it's the valve cover gaskets. I'm not too sure. And then a bunch of other little shit. Alright, just installed my Kirky seat. Took me a little bit, but she's in. And then I also installed the quick release. Here's my old wheel. Now it definitely feels like my other car, for sure, with the seat and the same steering wheel setup. Here is the old stock steering wheel. If anybody wants it, hit me up in the DMs. Airbag's still good. The horn still worked. I destroyed this thing though, but it should still work. Next up, I'm going to install the Takata harnesses. Alright, it's getting dark in here, but we got the Takata harnesses installed. Can't really see. They're there. Sick. Sick, Louis. Sick. Alright, broski, this is a different day. Look what we got here. Took off the plenum off the 350Z. And I took off this side valve cover because it's leaking. And check out what I found out. So these valve covers were brand new, and whoever installed them smashed the little rubber seal. So it's smashed right here in the corner and then right here. So they might not work, or I don't know. I'm gonna call Christian right now. Hopefully, I'm gonna ask him if I can slap them back on with a little bit of a silicone or something. But I honestly rather not do that. But we'll see. If Christian gives me the go, Christian's a badass, then I trust Christian. So we'll see right now. But yeah, it's already off. It took me like 20 minutes. It looks like a lot, but honestly, it's not even a lot. And then these are all the bolts I took off, so it kind of is a lot, but with the right tools, it's pretty fast.
Hey, what's up, Philly?
What's up, bro?
Hey, so we ended up having to come back because that route got us to the 5, but the ramp is closed to the 5.
Oh, damn.
I was looking at the map over there in Gorman, and showing it's closed over there too.
Yeah, that's what I'm not moving right now, so I'm thinking people are turning back.
Yeah, it sucks. But there's the 14 will take me to
the well, I took the 14 and then I took the 138, but prior to that I took the 58 and it was closed out there too.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to go like all the way around so it can take me to Bakersfield.
Yeah, well, I tried going out there, but it was closed.
The 14 también?
Yeah, where the 14 ends. Yeah, I went straight all the way over there to try to go to Tehachapi. What is it? Tehachapi, and then through Bakersfield, but it was closed. Yeah, I was in Mojave right now, and then I came back, and then I took the 138.
Oh, okay.
But I mean, it's moving slowly. I don't know. I don't see anybody like turning back yet. But it's moving like really slow.
Do you know if it's gonna be open anytime soon? Nah. Okay, thanks. Yeah, I just asked the cop right now. I asked him if it's gonna be open anytime soon. He said, nope.
Damn. Yeah, because it looks like there's a storm up there.
Yeah.
So yeah, broskis, we're stuck. I picked up this Odyssey in Buena Park, and the dude lives out there in Merced. But right here through the 5, through the Cajon Pass, it's closed. I've been driving since 7 in the morning. It's already 10:49. So, and I barely like travel like not even 100 miles. So, está cabrón. A ver qué pasa. Andamos valiendo cheeseburger. Good thing I brought my camera. I didn't even know I had it. It was in the back seat. But this is gonna be fun. You can see the mountains, or you can actually like see that there's probably like a snowstorm out there. But I don't know qué pedo. So yeah, straight ahead is Gorman. I am going west on the 138. I'm like 15 miles away from Gorman. By the way, I'm just filming just in case shit goes down. But yeah, look, you can see there's a storm. Machine. All right, broski, so we're finally moving, but it started snowing right here. Looks pretty dope. This is not my first time driving in the snow, so I'm not scared. I am by myself though. There's nobody with me. Pero nomás, qué bonito se mira. Chulada. I'm basically coming down from the 5. They opened it by Gorman, and right now, maybe like in 3 miles, 5 miles, I'm gonna pass the grapevine. Well, this is actually the grapevine, I think. But look at this, broskis. Looks pretty sick. I don't know if you guys can see it through the camera, but it looks sick from my driver's seat. Que chingon. Oh, and it's already 1:50. So I think I was there for, I think I told you guys I was there, I think I was there for like 3 hours. Finally on the road. Let's get it. Hopefully I can drive back tonight. Si no, va a valer madre. I'm gonna stay stuck over here. If somebody lives in Bakersfield, hit me up. Sick. What's up, broskis? We're out here at the track again. I didn't get to finish the 350Z, so I ended up bringing the Chaser. We got Angel right here. It's a Z party. I'll show you guys. Z party. And G.